Low equity and low monthly pag-ibig amortization na house and lot ba ang hanap mo? For only 12,000 monthly equity and 13,000 monthly pag-ibig amortization, meron ka ng complete finish with free fence and gate na house and lot. May malawak na parking area at higit sa lahat, discounted pa ang TCB ng 259,000 sa mga unit natin dito. Kaya sobrang sulit talaga. It comes with 2 toilet and bath, 2 bedrooms, kitchen, at may laundry area ka pa. With a minimum lot area of 52 square meter and floor area of 48 square meter. 100% flat fee at maaliwalas ang lugar. Accessible din ito going to Manila kasi 4 km away lang ito papunta sa highway. Malapit din ito sa major establishment like Walter Mart, Lyceum, and FP